sponsored by Celsius, sadly. Celsius sponsored me, bro. What's up, guys? Thank you for watching another video. We're out here in LA today. We're about to meet up with the homie Andy right now in his Supra, Mark III Supra. I showed it in the vlog a couple vlogs ago, but it was dark out, so you probably couldn't really see the car. But we're about to head to a little Cars and Coffee right now. I'm just waiting for Andy to pull up, and then we'll just see what else we get into today. It should be lit, so smash the like button right now. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are not already, and let's get into the video. Let's go. I'll be very surprised if he answers. I want everyone to go unsubscribe from Kevin right now. Kevin never answers his freaking phone, bro.
Press 1 for more options.
Hey, Mr. Life of KG. Why don't you answer your phone, bro? Oh, shoot. AMG Andy. Super Andy.
I'm late.
Why are you late, Andy?
Bro.
AMG Andy?
My life's a video.
I just left my door open. Look, he brought the Supra out, guys.
Yeah, we just gotta wrap it, guys.
I know. Once you wrap it, it's gonna be fire.
Or what?
Yes. How did we wake up last night?
I don't know, bro. I don't even know how we're still here right now.
We went out yesterday, guys. I didn't even vlog the PQ party.
Yeah, I didn't vlog it either, bro. That shit was lit.
But there was another PQ party, guys. You liked it? That's right. It sounds good, bro.
I gotta pump gas.
Alright. This needs a wrap, but this is gonna be fire. Oh, I thought that was a cop.
Oh.
And Andy's running around with no tags, bro. But yeah, guys, we're about to head to this little car meet. Where's the AMG at?
It's at the shop.
Damn.
You know, project car shit.
Nah, this shit's fire though. I'm telling you guys, once it's all wrapped, this shit gonna look brand new. Watch.
Can you pull the gas cap thing? It's a stud, bro.
So this is the first time you're taking it out.
Yeah, it's a show.
Fire.
Any show.
We got the 360 camera too. If you guys don't know, Andy actually has a YouTube channel. I'm gonna leave a link down below. I'm gonna leave it right here too. And this thing's actually really clean. This is a little Project Supra Mark III, and it's fire. It has a little 1JZ in it. It sounds good. Like it literally sounds, I was gonna say it sounds like a Supra, but it is a Supra. Once you lay a wrap on this, you will not see any of this stuff anymore. It's gonna look like a brand new paint job once he wraps it. And especially if he goes with like an Inozatec color, like my old wraps, those wrap films literally look like a paint job. So put that on here, it's gonna look crazy, bro. And he also has an AMG C63 that he vlogs too. So go subscribe to his channel, guys. I'm trying to put all the homies on so they can all vlog. AMG Andy?
You know?
No E85?
40 on 91 when
Bro, it's Super Pack, yes.
Super pack.
Yes.
It's worth it?
Huh?
It's worth it?
Yes.
I'm like an hour away.
Don't even bother.
15.
Oh, okay, perfect. Yeah, pull up.
Okay, bye. Cars just cruising. It sounds like a Supra, like it's crazy. It is a Supra, but you guys get what I'm saying. It sounds so good. Wow, it shot a flag.
didn't have no throttle response, like the gas just cut. And I was like, whoop, whoop, whoop. That's how I yield all the way to the right, bro. I was like, I'm not staying stuck on the freeway.
So now what?
I wasn't doing this before I pumped the gas, so it's like, I think it has to do with fuel issues for sure. But it sounds so good, bro.
Bro, it sounds sick.
Yeah.
And I shot a flame.
And it did? Did you catch it on video?
I couldn't catch it, I missed it. I missed the one that shot.
It's all good. Let's see if I can get it started again.
Alright. That sucks, bro. So yeah, we're just cruising to the meet. We're almost there, probably like 4 minutes away. And this shit just died out on me. No. And I was way over there, but I literally reversed all the way over here. Super illegal, but. Alright guys, well, this nice tow truck driver is gonna pull Andy off the freeway at least, because the exit's right here. So he can get off the freeway, and then I think he's gonna tow it to his homie's shop. But yeah, that sucks. Andy's first time ever trying to bring it out. He said he had a feeling that it was gonna break down too. It's the first time he's ever taken it out, so you don't really know what's gonna happen with the project car. And he's like, I'm gonna go home and sell this car. I'd be the same way, bro. I get so frustrated with cars that break. Bro, that sucks, dude. That shit sounded so good too. It's probably like a fuel issue that he thinks. Maybe with like the fuel pump or something like that. But like I said, it's his first time bringing it out, so pretty much like the test drive it was today. And we were so close, bro. Look how close we are to the meet, guys. 5 minutes away. We're almost there. Bro, there's no way. Andy already posted it on off-road.
Hell yeah, for sure.
You already posted? He's over it.
Bro, I'm not dealing with project cars anymore. I swear to God. Yeah, it's still early too. We gonna make it. We gonna make a good day out of a bad day. You feel me?
Bro, how funny is this? The tow truck driver pulled up.
Yeah, my wife does.
And he was like, I'm gonna just let you know right now, if I put it on the tow truck bed right now, it's not coming home because I really want one of these. I'm gonna buy it. Andy literally wanted to sell it. Now he's might have found a buyer.
Really, I bought the car. I got the harness done. I did fuel injectors, fuel pump. Got the computer for it.
Okay.
So I'm just waiting on a flex fuel sensor.
Okay.
It's gonna go here. Fuel pressure regulator and another sensor. But once you get those 3 sensors, I can tune it on E85 and it'll be making some decent power.
That's so funny, bro. He literally was just saying, I'm selling this car, guys. And the tow truck driver that happened to pick us up actually has been looking for a Supra. And now he's like, bro, I might buy it. He said he's been looking for one for years.
So,
Bro, at least it's only the fuel pump. That's an easy fucking little swap.
Too bad it doesn't start so you can hear it. It's
yeah.
cool.
Well, we got footage of the car running.
Yeah.
Man.
It's pretty, bro.
It's nice.
Fucking pretty.
I was just gonna wrap it and then you can change the color whenever you want. But
Yeah, hell yeah.
if you've been hunting for one, you know that the hard tops are hard to find because it's only 91s that came out with hard tops.
Hell yeah. I'm gonna have to take down your information. If that's cool with you.
Yeah.
Like, for sure.
That's crazy.
I know that is crazy.
He literally was like, just letting you know if I put this car on my flatbed that you ain't getting it back.
He's taking it home.
He's like, bro, I've been looking for a Supra for a while. I'm like, well, today's your lucky day because it's for sale. But,
That was so funny.
yeah, everything happens for a reason, guys.
I know. Imagine he really does buy it off you.
Fuck it.
That would be hilarious, bro.
That'd be dope. AAA guy bought my Supra. Boom.
Imagine. Hit the GTR too.
For sure, he's gotta take the Supra now.
Bro, if you hit my GTR, I'll get cash out.
Hell yeah. Bro, I don't know if you guys know, but if you guys get hit by a FedEx truck, it's minimum 7 million the payout.
By a FedEx truck?
Yeah, by a FedEx truck.
Bro, I'm gonna be cutting off every FedEx truck.
7 million, bro, guaranteed. So, don't try to get hit by a FedEx truck, guys.
Bro, I'm getting hit by every FedEx truck I see now. Cash me out, bro. Hit this, please. Give me a Nismo. I'll have an SVJ on the channel ASAP. Almost hit me again, bro.
Until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow.